Hey everybody, how's it going today? So my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach people how to make money online, how to get leads using ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is what I've been using for my affiliate marketing business as well as my online fitness and nutrition business. You can pretty much use ClickFunnels for any business, and I want to show you what it is, how to use it, how to set up everything, and let's dive right in. If you guys do me a big favor, please like and comment on this video, and if you like the content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get brand new videos every single time I post them. So let's dive right in. So what exactly is ClickFunnels? So basically all it is, it's a simple drag and drop funnel builder, so you can create landing pages, you can create video membership sites, you can pretty much do anything you want with ClickFunnels. You can create digital products, stuff like that. So basically this is what you can do. Like I said, you can build the landing page. Basically a landing page is a place where you can capture emails, and you can start building an email list and start getting leads for your business. You can do webinars, you can do squeeze pages. A webinar basically is, if you have like a high ticket affiliate offer, a high ticket offer that you're selling, you can pretty much have a video sales webinar where you do that. A membership site is, so I use a membership site for my program, for my online fitness and nutrition business. Basically, I have weekly meal plans, weekly workout plans on there. That's my membership site, but you can do whatever you want with that. Then you can have upsells, downsells with the funnel. So as you go through the funnel, you can sell them, your main product, and then you can upsell them on other products as well. So what do I like about ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels already has the templates that you can use, to create your offers. They have the templates already. All you gotta do is change them out with your links, with your text, and that's it. So that's basically what ClickFunnels is. Let me just show you some of my pages that I offer. So this is one of my pages here. Basically, this is what you call a capture page or a lead page. So right here, the main point of this page is to capture an email. And so you get an email, then after this it goes to the sales page. That's where I sell my membership program. That's just one example here. Now this is another example. So this is a capture page for an affiliate offer I'm offering. Very simple here. All I'm trying to do is get an email. So just right here, get an email. Let me show you one more example. This is another capture page. As you can tell, it's very simple. You just want to get their email, and then from here it'll go into a sales page. So how do you use ClickFunnels? How do you set up everything? How do you set up the emails? I have something really cool for you guys. So here I create a course where I teach you exactly step by step how to set up your ClickFunnels, how to set up your emails, how to set up your landing pages, your webinars, everything. So this is it right here. And let me kind of go through the course here. So the basics, as you can see, we can do navigating your dashboard, as simple as that, like how to use ClickFunnels, just navigating it, getting familiar with it. I show you how, if you want to become an affiliate. An affiliate is awesome, guys, if you don't have your own product, because you can promote ClickFunnels and they pay you 40% to be an affiliate. So I'm a ClickFunnels affiliate as well, because of the commissions they give you. So that's just one option here, and then I just kind of show you exactly how to do everything. The funnel page editor, so how to actually navigate the editor and the back end. Let's see what else here. I show you how to do split testing, which is very important with ClickFunnels. It's basically having two landing pages and seeing which one does better. So split testing is very important. And then I also show you how to set up your custom domain as well. So this is a very useful section here. And okay, then we get into the advanced topics: how to set up email, how to do your SMTP, basically how to send emails through ClickFunnels for you, which is kind of the harder stuff, but that's why I added this in the course. And then the types of funnels, like I said, the opt-in funnels, the sales funnel, webinar, all that stuff, guys. I have a ton of free stuff, free bonuses for you here in the course. I think you're going to like this here. So we have free funnel templates. Basically, you're going to get this whole free all these templates here. You're gonna get a contractor funnel if you're, if you're a contractor, a local contractor, a fitness funnel if you're a realtor trying to get leads and trying to scale up your business. I have realtor funnels. If you're trying to be an affiliate, I have ClickFunnels OFA challenge funnel for you. If you're an MLM business, you have a home meeting MLM. Ton of funnels here. That's just a bonus I offer. So check it out, guys. So I'm giving you this course absolutely free, and it's gonna be free for the the first 6 months before I launch officially. I'm gonna be adding a ton more to the course, and I want you to have it for free. So if you want the course for free on how to use ClickFunnels step by step, there's gonna be a link in the comments below. So make sure you click that and get it before I actually launch officially. But I think you're really gonna enjoy this, guys. I also show you tips and tricks. I show you helpful tools and resources, how to boost conversions, how to scale up your business, all that. So if you want the free course, make sure you click on the link below, and I'll go ahead and send that to you. I hope you guys found this valuable, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to message me on Facebook, and you guys have a great day.